Brilliance Foundation International. America's leading non-profit organization established to promote the well-being of the diverse community and suffering humanity and bring them into the American political and social mainstream. Organized the second, very useful and informative, breast cancer awareness workshop with a collaboration of Fusion Community Center. Large number of doctors, business women, entrepreneurs, and housewives participated in this beautiful workshop and talking about breast cancer.
What is being done is not a very easy and painful procedure. Dr. Violet said that if the breast cancer patient is young and there is a gland on her breast, now the patient needs to remove the substance from the gland through a needle and is being sent home and later called back after an examination so you can examine if the patient has cancer. She said tissues examination can also detect signs of cancer. Mammogram and ultrasound are very important addressing the workshop. Dr. Nazia Khan M.D. of Atlantic Health System Bridgewater Hospital said that today breast cancer is the number one among women in the United States as well as all over the world. According to reports, 30% of women have breast cancer symptoms. She said that in 2024, the number of women's breast cancer cases was 32,000, while 44,000 women died due to breast cancer. Dr. Nazia Khan said that lung breast cancer is the second most common cause of cancer in women today. 1 in 8 women will experience breast cancer in her lifetime, and an estimated 1 in every 43 women will die from breast cancer. Dr. Nazia Khan said that screening is very important for the prevention of breast cancer. I'm a pregnancy specialist, and I warn women to pay special attention to the preventive measures regarding breast cancer and give special priority to their body examination so that the disease can be diagnosed on time and treated in the early stages. She said that the purpose of today's workshop is to prepare women for protective measures before their treatment, for which Brilliance Foundation International is rendering valuable services. Valley Hospital's pulmonologist Dr. Rahat Salamat said that most of the women come for treatment when they are in the 4th stage of breast cancer, which is a very painful and sad process. Get a screening mammogram in your spare time so you can live a long and prosperous life. Dr. Rahat Salamat said that if breast cancer is diagnosed at the beginning, it is possible to treat it. She said that women should contact us for treatment, screening, mammogram, and other information. Dr. Amir Zaman, an oncologist at Cancer Care Hospital Rutherford, said that women's lives can be saved by getting proper treatment in the early days of breast cancer diagnosis. He said that now there is a modern method for the treatment of breast cancer, the patient should take advantage of it. There are also treatment methods, which include targeted therapy, monoclonal antibodies, immunotherapy. Speaking at the ceremony, Kulsum Kazmi, CEO of Brilliance Foundation International, said that since 2017, Brilliance Foundation has been working towards improving public health, especially women's health. She said that even during COVID-19, our organization worked for the welfare of people, but now we are giving a new direction to our organization to move forward. Kulsum Kazmi said that after skin cancer, breast cancer is the second most common among women. The workshop organized today and before will provide women with useful information for early detection of breast cancer and its best treatment and will provide guidance. Dr. Medea Shahzadi and Sana Ilyas presided over the Brilliance Foundation ceremony. Among the other speakers were Dr. Faiza Akbar and Beth Schumer, president of Adele Women's Club, and prominent Pakistani-American community activist and public relations officer of Brilliance Foundation Fazia Qureshi, Alia Kayani and Anila Naqvi were also present.
On behalf of the Brilliance Foundation International, we are deeply grateful to the distinguished guests who took time out of their busy schedules to attend the workshop. We are especially thankful to the Fusion Community Center for their incredible support. Very soon, we'll be back with another insightful workshop. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with us here at Brilliance Foundation International. See you next time.